Meet the Virnig Hydraulic Drop Deck Utility Trailer, designed to make loading and unloading heavy equipment safer, faster, and easier than ever. With the push of a lever, you can lower the deck in 20 seconds or less. No ramps to wrestle with, no steep angles, just level loading right from the ground. Easily drive on equipment like a scissor lift, skid steer, or palletized materials without worrying about slipping off ramps or awkward approaches. It's that simple and safe. The trailer features a robust 14-foot by 75-inch deck made from 3 16th-inch diamond plate steel for superior strength and traction. All wheel assemblies are precisely aligned with advanced camera technology to ensure even tire wear with smooth and straight towing. Couple that with low-maintenance rubber suspension, you get a smoother ride with long-lasting performance. And adjustable coupler and safety chains let you match varying truck hitch heights for a secure level tow. The deck lock release lever engages automatically and is positioned for safe, easy access away from pinch points. Integrated D-rings and chain slots give you multiple tie-down options so you can confidently secure loads in any direction. Lockable compartments protect your battery, tools, straps, and chains, keeping everything secure and organized. Thoughtful touches like a tongue that allows tailgate clearance, built-in storage hooks, and steps with grip tape add confidence and safety all around. We have 2 trailer hitch options to choose from, a ball coupler or a pinto ring. You can customize your trailer with factory-installed options like a solar battery charger, a trickle charger, LED deck lights for nighttime loading, a spare tire kit, and a powerful electric winch. When you need a trailer that works as hard as you do, with easy, level loading and unmatched durability, count on the Virnig Hydraulic Drop Deck Utility Trailer. Learn more at vernigmfg.com.